Tami Goodwin here, and I am out at a new community over in Loganville with my clients, the Richards. We are going through the walkthrough. My friend Melinda, who I helped sell a house in Alpharetta, purchase a house in St. Thomas, and now she's purchasing a house here. I am here so that we can do this walkthrough with her in this fabulous house. Like I said, over in Loganville, and super excited because the people are starting to buy again. It's a great time to buy. Listen, I'm telling you, I know I hear so many people say, oh, I'm going to wait until the market goes down. I want you to understand, people keep waiting for that, and it's really not going to happen. It's not going down. What we're seeing again is we're starting to see multiple offer situations. We're starting to see housing prices kind of creep back up. So remember what I told you before. Marry that house and date that interest rate. I'm going to flip this camera around so you can see this beautiful home, and let's see what we can do. So like I said, it's a new community, and they're out here. So my client, she's walking her house today. It's a gorgeous house. It's on a slab. So when I say it's on a slab, that means there's no basement, there's no crawl space. It's just on a slab of foundation. She's got a beautiful yard. So it's a corner lot. So we have space out there in the back. We're gonna go in.